Ninth grade ELA Spring Data Dig, Windsor Forest High School, school year 24-25. 20 students were analyzed based on formative and summative data using an ELA assessment. Their Lexile levels were also recorded and combined. The key findings: 5 students are reading significantly below grade level and are also failing. 15 students are reading at or below grade level, and 7 students are failing overall, including some that are at or below grade level. 2 students who are on grade level and reading on grade level are passing and excelling. As you can see here, these are the results of the 2 assessments. Many of the students did the same on both assessments, the summative and formative. Blue is going to be the formative, and the orange is the summative assessment. Instructional gaps and areas for improvement. Well, we definitely need more differentiation for our struggling readers, the students that do not have adequate reading skills based on their Lexile levels are shown to be struggling with writing and critical thinking, and also their test taking strategies. Possible issues include difficulty with constructed response writing and essay writing based on our test scores. Also, we definitely need a better formative assessment alignment, and those are the instructional gaps. One thing that I want to implement in order to assist students in turning in assignments in a timely manner, and in the future want to correlate the amount of missing assignments with the amount of students that fail instruction, and want to help students understand that missing homework is going to equate to doing poorly on exams. So, on a daily basis, students will be given data that they will understand on their daily performance. Here is an example of a simple pie chart showing that 15% of the class did not submit a specific assignment, 85% of them submitted it. And once we test, I want to make sure they understand what's happening in regards to mastering the standard by putting it in layman's terms. So, how many of us met yesterday is subjective based on whatever formative assessment is done at the end of the lesson. And this gives them a percentage of students that have mastered it, students that definitely have it, that are working towards mastering it, and that have not mastered yet. The assessment monitored was on standards RL1 through RL3. Those are our literature standards, and basically reading comprehension and being able to write about what it is that they read. There was a summative assessment, and the Lexile levels are based on the light sail diagnostic. We will implement progress monitoring 7 to 10 days of instruction and assign the progress monitoring 1 week so it is available, but we will only complete it when 7 to 10 days of instructions have occurred. Students below, meaning that they're in the yellow, will be progress monitored between 10 and 20 days of instruction, and it will be complete only after 10 to 20 days of instruction have occurred. And students who are above our benchmark, progress monitoring will be conducted monthly. Some things that we want to implement to improve our scores: offer tutorial to students performing below 60%, reteach lessons and assign remediation practice to failing students, and also progress monitor and consistently reevaluate. We will also group struggling students for explicit instruction and comprehension, fluency, and foundational skills. We also want to use our uh, reading level reading material to assist those that are reading below grade level. So students will be assigned the same article, but we can change the reading level of those articles to assist students who are reading below grade level. We want to teach struggling students with structured approaches to answering short responses and essays using skills such as the race strategy, and things like that. We also want to implement more usage of graphic organizers, sentence starters, and modeled responses to assist students who are having difficulty with writing as is a part of the assessment. We also want to pair our struggling students with peer tutors or peer mentors. And as said in the previous slide, provide after school tutoring and intervention sessions. Thank you so much.